So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus, and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Uber is doing massive new bonuses. This came from our Facebook group 18 hours ago. This is our private Facebook group. We got, what, 21,000 members in that group now. It's free to join.
Yeah, you guys.
Yeah. What?
Oh, I said they should join.
Yeah, they should. 100%. Yeah, so you want to see what's going on here?
Yeah, so
this is basically opportunities. So these are like pre-scheduled rides that a driver shared that he was getting in Allentown. So
oh, wow.
We always talk about airport rides, right? We always talk about airport hacking. Look at this airport ride right here. It's this is how you do it. Look at that. See that one, $112 for one ride to the airport.
It's insane.
So what did we talk about? Do you remember how to airport hack with the going to the suburbs?
Oh, yeah, like, okay, the best thing to do is probably wake up early in the morning. Like, you can see these rides are like 5 a.m., 6 a.m.
Yeah.
Sorry, can you hear the sirens?
Yeah, it's okay. It adds to the, you know, the Uber drivers are used to it. Oh, let's do some shout outs, by the way, guys. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe so you can be a live chatter. We have Tracy Berry in the chat, Junior Mitz, Yadiel, Junior Mitz, Chris McCoy, what's up? Kelly Forster Cash. They also have contests for the drivers to enter when the passengers hit a big button. Oh yeah, Kelly Forster says that. She uses Play Octopus. And then Gabriel.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so thank you, Kelly, for signing up with our link, and everybody else. Make sure you subscribe so you can be a live chatter. But yeah, what were you saying with the suburbs?
Yeah, so you want to drive, try to find somewhere where, like, people maybe, honestly, I don't remember.
Yeah, you basically just, to do airport rides, you want to, like, go to areas that are, wealthy suburbs that are, like, 30 to 40 minutes from the airports. So that way you can get rides to the airport. And like this person in Cross Creek Circle, Brennigsville, yeah, they obviously $112 for a 90-mile ride. So that's actually kind of far. But I mean,
oh yeah,
but yeah, dude,
wow, that is.
Yeah, that's like San Diego to LA.
Oh, what the heck?
Not that far. San Diego to LA is like, I think it's like 150 miles, so it's like half that. Ryan Walsh said, stop plugging and start talking about why we are all here, SMH. Hater, we got a hater in the chat, guys. If you want,
always haters.
If you want to be a live hater, make sure you're subscribed so you can get notified, so you can chat live and leave hate comments like Ryan Walsh. Just kidding. Thank you for joining, Ryan. We are getting into the topics right now. Sorry, we gotta do the plugs, or else, you know, this show would not exist because we are money hungry. Okay. Exposing myself here.
Yeah, but yeah, it's good to try to get a ride to the airport,
so
like some kind of trip to the airport.
Yeah.
Instead of just driving to the airport to get airport rides.
Yes.
So that you're not like wasting time. You're getting paid to go over there.
Comment your guys' airport strategy below. Comment your airport strategy below. How do you guys do airport rides? Oh, Chris, we
Yeah.
have a fan in the comment. Chris McCoy says, "What's up, bro? Love your vids." We got
Aw.
one fan. We got one fan in the chat. Let's go. So yeah, guys, this is also good to note that this is Uber Comfort, because the first ride, look at that. That one's only 6 miles, but it's $37. So, and it's at 5.
Oh, wow.
It's at 5 a.m. So if you can do that, I mean, if you can drive what, 6 miles in what, maybe 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So if you can do 2 of those in an hour, you're already looking at over $70 an hour. So like, if you,
That's crazy.
yeah, Uber Comfort, try to see in your area if you guys can qualify, because you get paid way more money. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.